Okay guys, so this is pretty much it. It's a rigid two-set toolbox with wheels, bro. With wheels right there. And you got this. Then you press it back up, all G'd up. And then right here you open it up and boom. You place all your tools right there. And then this one as well. I'm not going to show the tools in there, but there's some tools in there that come in handy. And yeah, bro, if you like what you see, just send me a message. We could meet with the address described. It's a beautiful, beautiful tool set. Has the wheels. It's for sale. And yeah, come and pick it up. Available now. You saw the video. It's in the description. Take some pictures right now. And can't wait to meet up.